Hello everyone, welcome to today's session. I am Dr. Mary N. Odio from Nagaland University. In this session, we will explore why organizational behavior, commonly known as OB, is more relevant than ever before in today's workplace, where rapid globalization, digital disruption, and workforce diversity are the new norms. Understanding how people behave within organization is key to effective management. This presentation introduces the changing paradigm in management and the fresh lens through which organizational behavior helps to navigate complexity, empower people, and drive performance. Let's begin with a quote from Sam Walton, the legendary founder of Walmart. When he was asked about what makes organizations successful, he simply said, quote, "People are the key," unquote. This simple truth lies at the heart of OB. Today's managers face a whirlwind of challenges because of information overload, global competition, and an increasingly diverse workforce. Traditional models of command and control no longer suffice. In response, management is shifting toward people-centered practices that emphasize empowerment, innovation, and teamwork. The word paradigm comes from the Greek word paradigma, meaning pattern or model. Thomas Kuhn, the historian of science, used it to describe a fundamental shift in thinking. Today, we are witnessing such a shift in management, that is, from rigid hierarchies and top down control to more flexible systems that focus on learning, quality, and inclusivity. This change asks managers to move beyond compliance and embrace adaptability, trust, and continuous improvement. OB provides the tools to navigate and thrive in this new mindset. So, what is organizational behavior, or what is OB? OB is the study of how people act in organizations. It looks at individuals, groups, and the organization as a whole and how their interactions shape over outcomes. Just to put simply, OB is about understanding, predicting, and influencing human behavior. By studying OB, we learn why people behave the way they do and how leaders and managers can channel that behavior towards achieving organizational goals. So there are three key levels of analysis in OB. And so OB can be understood at three interconnected levels. At the micro level, we look at individuals, where we study their attitudes, motivations, and personalities. At the meso level, we focus on groups, where we study about how teams work together, communicate, and resolve conflict. At the macro level, we study organizations as systems, where we study about their structures, cultures, and strategies. Together, these levels gives us a comprehensive picture of behavior at work. Different scholars have offered their own perspectives on. Callahan, Flinner, and Cutson highlight its role in predicting and influencing individual behavior. Newstorm and Davis describe it as a human tool for human benefit, applicable across all organizations. Fred Luthans emphasizes control and management of behavior, while Stephen Robbins frames it as the study of how individuals, groups, and structures impact organizational effectiveness. Though their words differ, the central message is the same, that which is OB is about understanding people to make organizations better. Why should we study organizational behavior? Because organizations don't run on machines or processes alone, but they run on people. OB helps us to build stronger interpersonal relationships, understand human motivation, and communicate more effectively. It equips managers with leadership skills and prepares them to guide teams through constant change. Simply, we can put it as OB is not just theory, but it is a toolkit for building resilient people and organizations. Organizational behavior has several defining features. It is a distinct field of study, growing from multiple disciplines like psychology, sociology, and anthropology. It is both applied and normative, meaning it not only studies behavior but also prescribes ways to improve it. It is humanistic and optimistic, where it places people at the center of organizational success. And finally, it adopts a total systems approach, viewing organizations as interconnected as a whole rather than isolated parts. To conclude, the new paradigm of OB recognizes that people truly are the key to success. Today's organizations must focus on empowerment, continuous quality, diversity, and lifelong learning. By applying the principles of OB, managers can adapt more effectively, inspire their teams, and build organizations that are innovative, resilient, and prepared for the future. These are some of the references. Thank you for your attention. I hope this session has helped you to see organizational behavior in a new light, which means not just as a subject anymore, but as a powerful way of understanding and managing people in today's dynamic world.